In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create invoices using Acuity scheduling. Mastering this feature can make your business run much smoother, so let's go step by step. It's all about turning client appointments into simple, professional invoices. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Acuity scheduling account. Once you're logged in, head straight for the Payment section from the main menu. This section acts as your hub for managing all your financial details, so it's important to get comfortable navigating this space. When you're ready, go ahead and choose Invoices, then click Create Invoice to start setting up your personalized billing document. Now it's time to fill out your client information. You have the option to select an existing client from your list, which can save you some time. Alternatively, you can manually enter the details to add a new client to your roster. Keeping your client list updated and organized is always a good practice, and it'll serve you well in the long run. Once you have entered the client information, click Add New Item to specify the services or products you're charging for. Acuity sometimes automatically fills this section using appointment data, which is handy. However, it's crucial to check and adjust the price and quantity as needed to match your business setup. This will ensure that your invoice accurately reflects the services rendered or products provided. With your invoice taking shape, let's move on to customization and sending it off. If applicable, add any required taxes and take a moment to ensure that all pricing is clear and accurate. You can include a short message for your client, like a thank you note or any special instructions you may want to convey. Personal touches can sometimes make all the difference in client interactions. Don't forget to set a due date, as this plays a key role in managing your payments on time. Before you send it off, I recommend previewing the invoice to catch any last-minute mistakes. A final review can help prevent misunderstandings or delays in payment. There's an important reminder here. You'll need to connect a payment processor before you start creating invoices. Navigate to the Payment Settings page and select your preferred payment provider. This step is essential for ensuring that your clients can pay the invoice without any hitches. Once you're certain everything is perfectly in order, click on Create and Share or Send to dispatch the invoice to your client. The client will receive a direct link to pay, and fortunately, Acuity will automatically update the invoice status once payment is made, eliminating the need for manual tracking. And there you have it. You now know how to create and manage invoices in Acuity scheduling efficiently and professionally. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps simplify your business workflow.